Hi everybody, Derek here from Musical Journeys Through Cinema. Today I have with me these garlic and herb flavored pretzel crisp bites by Snack Factory. These are my favorite kind of pretzels and my favorite kind of flavoring. That's what the package looks like. And these are what the crisps look like. Nice and small and thin. The flavor is very well done. It's packed with a lot of flavor. Nice and crunchy, makes for an excellent snack. The bag is resealable, as you can see on top. That's what it says on the back. You can pause to read it if you like. There are the nutrition facts labeled. I highly recommend this brand of pretzels. There are a lot of great flavors, but garlic and herb is my favorite.